Dear listeners, as we approach Pride Month, I invite you to consider an often confusing and misrepresented topic: evolution. You see, approximately 5,000 years ago, an old man named God invented a bunch of cells and scattered them into the sea like birdseed. These cells gave birth to more cells, and as they continued to multiply, they formed an army and stormed the beaches to begin life on the land. But long before those prudish protozoa had begun their foolish journey to self-betterment, there existed on this earth a truly spectacular phenomenon: sound. Yes, Deborah, sound. And thus was birthed the bald and the beautiful. The large, unkempt masses of disheveled listeners delighted in their weekly audio salve, but as villages often do, they began to demand more. So it is with considerable enthusiasm that I tell you that on June 1st of the year of our Lord 2021, we shall celebrate Pride with the launch of the Trixie and Katya YouTube channel, full of amazing visual content, including special video episodes of the Bald and the Beautiful podcast. This truly is the next step of human evolution. So why don't you head on over to the new Trixie and Katya channel on YouTube and subscribe. Enjoy, and happy Pride.